So here I am showing how to clean the AC filter. So the AC filter is mounted behind the storage bin or the glove box. So to remove this, here there is a rubber piece over here. You have to squeeze into this side and detach it. The same thing over here. So now it is detached. So now the glove box can come out, and there's a hinge over here. And now here is the mounting of the plate. So now we have to remove this cover over here. That is the AC cover. And now you see that part, that is the AC filter. And that is the filter. So now we can clean it and reinstall it. Now if you want to replace the filter, you can take it out. In this case I'm not replacing it, I'm going to put the old one back in. I have cleaned it out. And if you have a new filter, you can put it in here. Make sure the direction here it says up, which this side should be facing up. And if you bought the filter with the tray, it can either be replaced with the tray or without the tray. So to reinstall the filter, just push it back inside. And now this side should be facing up, and it should go in this direction. In the same box which you have put in right there, it goes in the same way. And now this is mounted now. So get the cover back in. Now we had a click sound. Now this cover is mounted back in. Now we can mount back the glove box. So now this is a storage bin. First we have to line up these two hinges in that and push this back in place. Now the glove box has been installed. So by cleaning and replacing the AC filter, we can improve the cabin air which is coming inside, and it also improves our air quality inside the cabin while driving. So thank you.